Parrot is beautiful. Parrot has beautiful eyes.
Language acquisition does not require extensive use of conscious grammatical rules. The editing process helps the learners to internalize grammatical sense non-consciously.
About parrot. I too wrote something about parrot.
Editing has a very crucial role in a constructivist language
This
classroom.
is the one I have written.
Editing of group products can be done in two phases. The first one is thematic editing.
Eyes. Okay? Okay, whose writing is this? My writing. And this one? Yours. Oh, Sanjay's or group second. Okay. Any same things in between these two?
Here, the teacher facilitates a thematic comparison between the group products and the teacher version.
Parrot is a beautiful bird. Any other same points? No? Red beak. Yes, parrot has red beak. Here also it has a red beak. Both the sentences are same? Same? Something more here. Isn't it? What is that? No. It has a red beak and two black eyes. There are some new ideas in this writing. We haven't discussed, okay? Some new ideas. Which is the new ideas conveyed here? Yes, people like parrots and yes. Very good. People like parrots, so they keep parrots as pets. I have written about feathers. Nothing about feathers in there. What is the sentence here about feathers? Which is? It has?
The second phase is language level editing. There could be only three major categories of errors: syntactic or structural, morphological, and punctuational.
Children, let us go through the sentences once again.
In the syntactic category, there are only three types of
Is it okay?
errors: missing words,
There
excess
is a
words,
board. Is it correct?
and wrong word order.
There is a beautiful sun. Okay. The water is blue color. I think something is missing here. Can anyone say? Yes? What is it?
Water is blue in color.
In. Very good. The water is blue in color. Water is blue in color. Okay, I shall write it here. The water is blue in color. Is it okay now? Yes. Let us move on to the next sentence. Two coconut tree. Is it a complete sentence? No.
There are two coconut trees.
Yes, there are two coconut trees.
The teacher identifies the wrong sentences and proceeds with questions that facilitate structural corrections. In the morphological part, there are the following categories of errors: wrong tense form, aspectual errors, wrong passives, agreement errors, wrong affixes.
There is a umbrella. Yes, there is an umbrella. There is.
In all these cases, the teacher has to supply the correct versions. The teacher can give options at this point to help the learners to identify the correct expression. Care must be taken to avoid explicit teaching of grammatical points. The third category is punctuation and spelling. Punctuation errors may be addressed negotiating with the learners.
Are there full stops in all sentences? No. So, we have to put full stops in all these sentences. Okay.
In the case of spelling errors, it is better to authorize the learners to check the spelling at home. After editing one of the group products, the teacher can assign the remaining group products for editing by the learners themselves, who can do this in small groups.